Here's how to purchase, install, and activate the Teacup Barcode Maker plugin. First, go to the Teacup website and purchase your license. After checkout, you'll see your activation details, either a 24-digit code for Photoshop, Illustrator, and Express, or a license ID with password for InDesign. If you purchased an all-access license, you'll receive both. Don't worry, you'll also get this information by email. Next, download the installer zip file from the website. Unzip it, double-click the installer, and follow the steps to complete installation. In Express, you'll need to search for Barcode Maker in the Plugins Marketplace. Once installation is complete, you'll open the Barcode Maker panel a little differently depending on the application. In InDesign, go to the Window menu and choose Pattern Maker. In Illustrator, you'll find it under Window, then Extensions, then Barcode Maker. In Photoshop, open the Plugins menu and select Barcode Maker, then Barcode Maker again. And in Express, just click the Add-ins icon on the side panel and choose the Barcode Maker icon. To activate in Illustrator, Photoshop, or Express, sign in with any email address you have access to. It doesn't need to match the one you used for purchase. Then click the hamburger menu, select Activate, and enter your 24-digit activation code. To activate in InDesign, click Activate on the splash screen, or go to Help, Activate Teacup Plugin. Enter your license ID, then your activation password, and click OK. And that's it! Your Barcode Maker plugin is now ready to use.